Hey there, it's John Michailidis. I'm with Real Property Management in Sarasota and Manatee. As you can see, I'm here in my studio. I have been putting together a dynamic presentation for real estate agents and their clients to learn about how to use self-directed IRAs to supercharge real estate investing tax-free. My wife and I started using self-directed IRAs to invest in real estate, and we're seeing phenomenal results. As an attorney, I decided to dive in, do the research, put together a little project to help you. If you're a real estate agent, you need to know about this, and you need to tell your clients, because once they understand this, once you understand this, they will be buying more property. You will be selling more property. So please RSVP. Seating is very limited. I can't fit 100 people in the room. So get back to me. RSVP June 6th, 6 p.m. hour, maybe an hour and a half with Q&A afterwards. I want to see you there. It will not be the same without you. Take care. If you have any questions, 941-225-8185. God bless you. See you soon.